Oh, look at it. Oh, that's so cute. I might have to take a picture like that. I actually just got off work and I have to be back in about 10 hours. But I have a plant unboxing that I need to do. It's just a little mini haul, 3 plants total. And these plants I did order from Gabriella Plants, which is online. It's a place that I have ordered plants from one time before, and the plants actually came out incredibly. The quality of the plants and the actual communication that you have with the owner, his name is Shaine, or the founder of Gabriella Plants, is more than anything I've had from any of the other places that I've ordered plants from. Today's the 25th. They were actually delivered to me yesterday on the 24th. It came in a box that looks like this here. Upside down, mind you, so I'm kind of afraid. All right, so real quick, let's just get down and dirty and get into it. I will let you know the price of the plants as I'm opening them, and I will let you know what the plant is as well. All 3 of these plants are not plants that I already own, so at least there's going to be something new. I don't blame Gabriella Plants for the upside down box. Good. All right. So starting off, this one is a 6-inch pot. Of course, it's an aeroid, and it is a Philodendron green Congo. Come in that brown paper, and then this clear paper underneath. There is, if you can see, let me focus. There is cotton on top to keep the soil in place, and for the taller plants they do put this little post in here, which is very convenient. This plant appears to have no damage at all. It, I mean, really did well in shipping. So let me get this off right here. This green Congo in a 6-inch pot I paid $24 for. So, and it appears to be pretty healthy. There's a lot of new leaves on it, if you can see. That's a good looking leaf right there. Look at that one. I think the red Congo, the underside is, you know, red. This one seems to have a little bit of a red tint to it, but maybe once they mature, they go completely green. I don't know, but it's nice. This is beautiful, came in perfect condition, $24. Yes, I would highly recommend this 6-inch green Congo. All right. Next one, like I said, there's only 3 total. With this styrofoam around it. This is a 4-inch pot. This is, got the rubber band on it. Oh, it's small and cute. What is that? There's like a little spider on this. An actual spider, not a spider mite. But it's very small. And it's got this white thing on its butt. And I'm really afraid if I kill it, it's gonna be babies. Well, what should I do? Man, the spider is ruining my plant. Hold on. Okay, well, I just wrenched it off, so hopefully I won't find spider babies in my sink. Anyway, so back to the actual plant. This is the 4-inch lemon lime philodendron, the hanging one. I already have one of the ones that's like branches or something. This one is a hanging one, and it was $8. And it's got a little hang time on it. It's cute. I just have been wanting one and wanted to order more than just one plant. No complaints. It's a cute little 4-inch hanging lemon lime philodendron. last but not least, we've got the reason for my order in styrofoam with these packing Cheetos. 4-inch pot. Oh, you can already see what it is. 4-inch pot. Rubber band. My beautiful painted lady philodendron. Oh my gosh, look at those pink stems. I cannot deal. I cannot deal. So this beautiful lady was $40, but worth the money. So I'm probably gonna put this next to my burgundy princess in my kitchen where I have some grow lights. This is a nice big beautiful speckled leaf here. This one, oh my god, I cannot deal. I've got a big one unfurling right here. And then these stems. I just can't get over these stems with the little curlicues. Like, that's adorable. That is so cute. So, in total, I told you I got the 3 plants. This beautiful painted lady, the lemon lime philodendron, and the green Congo. The total was, I want to say the total was 80. So yeah, this is my second order from Gabriella Plants. 100% zero complaints. I mean, I really genuinely have been enjoying this company and buying from them, and will continue to buy from them in the future. The prices are amazing. The quality is amazing, and the fact that his name is Shaine. I mean, they're really great people. So if you get a chance, follow them at Gabriella Plants on Instagram for the updates on when they do their weekly specials, and it's usually always starts at 8 p.m. 10 out of 10 would recommend them, and I would say right now they are probably my favorite online nursery. I do have one more plant that I ordered on eBay that is coming this week, I believe. Is one of my absolute dream plants. I don't know if I'm going to be adding it on to this video. You guys are not gonna believe what I got my hands on. Hey guys, it's actually been a couple of days since my last unboxing, but I just got 2 plants in the mail from eBay. So before I went ahead and edited and posted my Gabriella Plants haul video, I wanted to just unbox these for you as well, because one of them is a plant that I have been wanting for so long. It's been on my wish list. All right, so let's go. First plant looks like it came from California and got to me via UPS. I don't really even know why I bought this. It was an impulse buy, but I mean, it's nice. Alrighty, good thing I'm gonna have to vacuum. So it is a Calathea Roseopicta Medallion, and this is a 4-inch pot. It was on eBay for $13.99, but I had a $5 off coupon. So it came to $9.83 and it was free shipping, so an impulse buy, but it's actually packaged pretty nicely. It's in plastic, not very breathable, but whoa, there's no perlite in this soil though. Am I crazy? I don't see any perlite unless they use something else that I'm not used to, but that just looks like straight up. I mean, it's super wet, so maybe it's just for shipping. If I have to repot this soon, I'm not gonna be very happy. I don't know why I keep buying Calathea. I have a little Calathea section with their own humidifier, but they still hate everything about life, so. Oh well, it's beautiful, so worst case scenario, it was only $10.
Now this one. This was my whole reasoning for going on eBay in the first place. This is like super packaged in there. Looks like it came from Florida. Oh my god, open up. Jeez. aggressive, I know. Oh my god, it's still in there! Okay. There's probably an easier way to open this box, but obviously I don't care.
Alright. You guys ready? What do we have here? There's not a whole lot of description about this plant under the post that I got it from, and it was a really great price. But it looks like it's exactly what I wanted, and it looks healthy too. Da, 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 da. It's a Philodendron Gloriosum. Oh yes. Hello, my beautiful, beautiful baby. Wait, just one big, beautiful leaf, but healthy nonetheless. It's got plastic around it here and a little post to, I don't know what that's doing, but look at this beautiful baby. So I paid $28.99 for it, $11 shipping, so a total of $41.72. And I would do it again and again. I'm stoked about this one. This is going to take pride of place somewhere on my plant shelf. Actually, I'm getting a plant shelf delivered today to reorganize my big plant section over there under my grow lights. So you'll probably be seeing that here soon as well. But yes, just these two plants I ordered on eBay. The Calathea, I don't know really why I ordered it. It's fine. But this beautiful baby, I love you. Oh, look at it. Oh, that's so cute. I might have to take a picture like that. Yes, anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the other two plants that I did get in addition to my Gabriella Plants haul. So thanks for staying tuned for that and for seeing my big baby. I'll see you guys later. Bye.